Welcome back to Vapor Cycles for the 6th Sunday Sync. Yes, the triple S. As you might have seen from Instagram updates, for the past 2 weeks I've been working on the manufacturing process for version 3. As with everything, it's an iterative process, which increased in scope with every new test. And we got to a full piece. This is what I refer to as the seat joint. It has some issues and I wasn't really treating it very carefully. But at its core, it turned out really well considering the complexity involved in making this. And of course, the first mold from the new card model is ready, which is what I used here. I have the next phase all ready to go, but first I would like to take a little break and teach you how to make your own carbon pieces from 3D printed molds. Yes, my arch nemesis, the advanced carbon molding video, is up next in the pipeline. I've even replaced the protective cover here on my table in anticipation. As you may know, I've tried to make this on camera twice before with less than ideal results. To be fair, this is designed to be the worst case scenario for the process. I will start just as soon as I finish filming this update, and you can expect to see latest news on this from the Instagram account. Aside from being a demo for teaching guys, why do we even need a carbon piece for a 3D printer? Well, I have been eyeing up a Voron 2.4 printer for a while. If you're not familiar with it, it's a very high quality machine designed as a kit you have to make yourself, and it has some 3D printed parts. I'm thinking of building one with some of those 3D printed parts actually made from carbon instead. This material is way stronger and stiffer, as well as being more temperature stable, unlike thermoplastics you can print. Actually, Stefan from CNC Kitchen built a Voron Zero recently and used carbon nylon, I think, to print the parts. I will leave a link to his video in the description. The print quality he showed from his Voron is amazing, made me want to build one even more. If you're interested in following along this carbon-laced Voron build, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can organize a Patreon for those interested in supporting this project. I will share STLs for the molds, as well as technical details, so you'll have everything you need to make your own Uber Voron. So lots of exciting stuff ahead, but for now, have a great couple of weeks everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.